new Shark Cordless PowerDetect vacuum. It introduces smart technology, including dirt detect, floor detect, edge detect, and light detect. This technology senses dirt and the cleaning environment and automatically adapts the vacuum's brush roll speed, suction power, and headlights for optimized cleaning. To get started, unbox the units and place the nozzle and the other parts on a flat surface. To assemble the vacuum, first connect the wand to the nozzle. Insert the shorter gray end of the wand into the nozzle. Next, connect the hand vac to the wand. And then remove the sticker from the hand vac's digital screen. The battery will arrive partially charged, so you'll want to charge it fully before your first use. You can charge the vacuum without using the auto empty dock. Plug the charger into the nearest wall outlet. Next, plug the charging cord into the provided battery pack. The battery symbol will blink when the vacuum is charging. To assemble the auto empty dock, make sure the dock is facing upright. Slide the charging post into the slot on the front of the dock until it clicks into place. Place the vacuum on the dock and plug the power cord into a wall outlet. To install the Odor technology cartridge into the base, flip up the dial handle on the cartridge. Align the teal arrows, then insert the cartridge into the round opening in the dock. Rotate the dial counterclockwise to lock the cartridge into place, and select the odor intensity level. To use the dock for charging, place the vacuum down onto the dock. When the vacuum is properly aligned on the dock, charging will start. The automatic evacuation process will also begin. It lasts around 25 seconds. The battery indicator light will pulse white when charging is complete. Once the battery is fully charged, the vacuum is ready for use. Turn on the vacuum by pressing the power button on the bottom of the LED screen. The LED screen shows the battery level and the cleaning mode type. It even tracks debris levels, telling you when your floors are clean. The mode selection trigger on the handle allows you to cycle through Detect, Eco, and Boost modes. For the best balance of runtime and performance, we suggest using Detect mode for carpets and bare floors. Looking for more cleaning tips? Visit us at sharkclean.com.